too rough. Jude, could you please calm down? Our babies need their rest. Yes, Jude. All this noise and running around is too much for them.
But I'm just having fun. I need to run and play.
Leave him be, you two. He's just a cattle dog. They have a lot of energy.
Ranger, how can you be so blasé? He's disturbing everyone. Can't you talk to him?
He's fine, Daisy. He'll calm down eventually.
Oh my, yes. Calm as a gentle breeze.
That land shark is over here to bite us. I was trying to sleep. Mama, he laid down right in the carrots. Get him out of here. He's loud.
Jude, you stop it. Stop it. You're scaring our babies.
I'm just playing.
He's not hurting anyone. Healers have a lot of energy. He's learning, just like Scout did.
This is not learning. This is chaos.
Holy nippin' healer, run! Run!
Jude! Come here, boy. Come here.
Shh, it's okay. You're a good boy. A good boy. Let's calm down now.
There. I love you, Jude.
Thank goodness for Renee.
Yes, she always knows what to do.
Cattle dogs have their ways. But I suppose even they need a little help calming down.
Looks like Jude finally settled down.
Thanks to Renee.
It's good to have some peace and quiet. And happy babies.
He'll grow out of it. Just takes time and patience.
And maybe a few more afternoon naps with Renee.
On this farm, every critter has a place and a role. With a little patience and understanding, even the rowdiest puppy can find his way. Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.